Hi, thank you for joining us again. My name is Connie Tran. I'm the SNAP Ed and Outreach Coordinator with the Food and Nutrition Services section under the Division of Child and Family Wellbeing. This project is a collaboration with North Carolina's Emergency Management Team, and I'm actually here with my colleague.
I'm Pat Moore, and I'm also with the Food and Nutrition Services section. And today we're going to be making sausage grits.
Awesome. What do we have, Pat?
We have a pack of instant grits. Also, we need a cup of water.
Yeah.
2 to 4 ounces of dried sausage, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper.
Perfect.
And that's it.
So grits will come in different packaging, but today we're doing this from the cup, and will find this in the store in the packet form. So the reason why we want to do instant is that it is quick to cook. We know doing a disaster, you want to conserve as much resources as possible. So we definitely want to make it quick and easy. So as you can see, all the ingredients are ready, and we also have our diced sausage here. We're gonna head over to the stove. This is a recipe that will involve either a portable stove that has the butane canisters, or you can also use propane with connected to a portable grill. Or yeah, and then if you have the open fire option, of course, grilling outside is also another option. Just be sure that you're safe, and of course away from your house, that you can stay safe during the time that you're cooking this. So we'll go ahead and head over. You have, can you prep the water for me? I'm gonna go ahead and get the grits ready. Sure. And so we'll do a cup of water. And we'll put this on a little higher with a little heat here. And I'll go ahead and I can actually just start adding the grits in. And we want to make sure that we stir regularly here so that we do not get the clumps in the grits.
And then I'll add the sausage. Ooh, and I'll try not to roll the sausage all over the place.
So dry sausage is a great protein, and it will be fine out at room temperature. And of course, all the ingredients that we have here, again, will be fine in your pantry in case your power does go out.
And also, it does say wait until it's boiling, but of course, if you like them nice and creamy, it's okay to cook them a little bit longer.
Yep. A pinch of, you can do a little pinch of black pepper in there.
I love pepper. So
I love pepper, so Kat's gonna put pepper, lots of pepper in
I'll
there.
behave with the salt.
Yes. Yeah. And you can also, if you have herbs in your garden growing, during this time they're starting up. So that's another great way to add a little bit of that aroma to your grits if you want, or you can even do dry herbs, and that will better this dish. So again, instant grits does not take long.
Sure doesn't.
And that is about it. I think it's ready, Pat. You can see.
I believe you got it.
Sausage smells great.
Less than 1.5 minutes.
Correct. Yeah. And we have our beautiful grits ready for consumption. And that completes
they're ready.
They're ready.